In this video, we are going to review Amplenote versus Evernote. Which one should you trust with your notes, tasks, and productivity? Let's start with Amplenote. It's the rising star of productivity apps. You can link ideas easily, use backlinks like Notion, and even schedule tasks straight from your notes. The agenda view is nice. It turns your tasks into a flexible calendar, perfect for planning your day without switching apps. Also, it's fast, no lag, and notes and tasks are all working together in a minimalist design. Now let's go ahead to Evernote. It's the OG note taking app. It's relevant in 2025, especially if you love web clippers, notebooks, and a familiar interface. The new home dashboard is cleaner than before, and free version is super limited now. So which one is better? If you are focused on productivity, go with Amplenote. And if you want traditional note vault with lots of storage, go to Evernote. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.